Welcome to the topic Definition and Objectives of Management. At the end of this video, you will be able to define and explain the importance of management. Management focuses on performing tasks efficiently and effectively. In today's world, where tasks are becoming increasingly complex and involve multifunctional teams, management has become extremely important. According to Harold Kuntz, who was a professor of business management at the University of California, management is an art of getting things done through and with people in formally organized groups. It is an art of creating an environment in which people can perform as individuals and can cooperate towards the attainment of group goals. According to F.W. Taylor, management is an art of knowing what to do, when to do, and see that it is done in the best and cheapest way. Let us now look at the modified definition of management. A definition of management that combines elements of Kuntz and Taylor's definitions is: management is the process of designing and maintaining an environment in which the individuals working in groups efficiently employ resources and accomplish the selected goals of self and the organization. This comprehensive definition focuses on people and other resources, balancing the goals of both the organization as well as the employee, creating an environment for employees that is conducive to use the available resources and achieving goals. Let us now look at the objectives of management. Achieve the goals of organization. Efficient management helps the organization to achieve its goals. For example, to ensure smooth expansion, Green Path hotels can hire and train employees in advance. Optimize the utilization of resources. Management helps the organization make right decisions at the right time. For example, whenever they go on expanding the business, Green Path should ensure that they hire employees at the right time. If they hire too early, they may incur a loss as a result of having idle employees, whereas if they hire too late, they will have no time to train their employees, thus affecting the quality of the services offered to customers. Reduce costs. Management helps reducing the costs incurred by the organization through proper planning, which leads to maximizing outputs and minimizing inputs. For example, Green Path prudently uses their human resources, material, and financial resources to achieve their goal of satisfying customers at a minimum cost. Establish a sound organization. Management ensures coordinated operations, which ultimately leads to a sound organization. For example, Green Path's processes ensure that service staff work efficiently as a team and avoid any duplication of efforts. Establish equilibrium. Management helps an organization cope with a changing environment. For example, the management at Green Path could foresee the era of conservation and social responsibility and could take the necessary steps to ensure that the hotel meets these social expectations. Welfare of the society. Efficient management results not only in the betterment of the organization, but also in the increased economic, social, and general welfare of its people. For example, Green Path recruits people who live in the vicinity of the hotel. In this way, it increases employment, which results in prosperity of the local area. Key points discussed in this video are: according to F.W. Taylor, management is an art of knowing what to do, when to do, and see that it is done in the best and cheapest way. Management helps in achieving group goals, optimum utilization of resources, reduces cost, establishes equilibrium, and leads to prosperity of society.